What's the meaning of CNC? CNC. CNC.
CNC. CNC. The abbreviation CNC stands for Commander-in-Chief. A Commander-in-Chief is the supreme officer in charge of a nation's armed forces. This person has command and control authority over all military personnel and assets, and is responsible for the overall strategy and direction of military operations. In some countries, the Commander-in-Chief is also the head of state or government. The role of Commander-in-Chief is essential for maintaining order and protecting national security. It requires strong leadership, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of military tactics and operations.